Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 14 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top of your screen like so, and then do that once more to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, locate the hotspot one, which for me it is located on the second page right over here. Once you see it on your end, first time around you want to hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings. Now the reason you want to navigate into the settings is because under the hotspot settings you'll find the randomly generated password. Now without navigating here you have no way of knowing what it is set to, and while you're already in here I just recommend getting rid of it and then setting up your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. That can be letters, numbers, doesn't really matter. Now you can obviously go over other options that are visible right here, but if you don't know what they do, I recommend keeping them as they are set by default. As a default way that they're set is what could be considered as a compatibility mode, meaning it's going to work with the widest array of devices. Anyway, we're gonna select save now, and we can close this. Let's find the toggle once again, and this time around we're just gonna click on it to turn it on whenever you want to utilize your hotspot. Once you're done needing it, you can tap on this toggle once again to turn it off, as hotspot does consume more of your phone's battery, so once you're done using it, it's beneficial for you to turn it off, but you don't need to really worry about it all that much, as if I remember correctly, there is an option to, there we go, automatically turn off personal hotspot after 10 minutes of inactivity, which this option is is enabled by default, so you don't need to really put too much, worry into the mode actually running in the background. Which, with that also being said, if you encounter your hotspot turning off while you're still using it, maybe you just opened up some kind of article and took more than 10 minutes to read it, and that time your hotspot might have turned off just because technically wasn't being used. So in those scenarios you might want to maybe disable this option altogether. But anyway, with that being said, I hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.